Determinant of a matrix of order 1. Let A be the matrix of order 1. Then the determinant of matrix A is equal to the element of the matrix, that is, if 3 is the element of matrix A, then the determinant of matrix A is equal to 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 2. Let A be the matrix of order 2. Then determinant of matrix A is determined by multiplying elements AB and subtracting this by the product of elements C, D. Let's take an example. Here, elements of matrix are 2, 4, minus 1 and 2. Determinant of matrix A is equal to product of elements 2 and 2 is subtracted by the product of elements minus 1 and 4. This is equal to 4. Minus into minus becomes plus 4. So, determinant of matrix A is equal to 8.